Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to talk about and see short reviews of few fragrances that were sent to me as PR from the brand called KHADLAJ. I'm pretty sure you're aware of the brand KHADLAJ as I've reviewed them before in my previous Middle Eastern fragrance haul videos. So they were kind enough to send me a PR package consisting of few fragrances, few of their newly released fragrances. So they sent me like 3 fragrances, 3 perfume EDPs and 1 perfume oil. So I'm going to post them as separate videos for each perfume, and today I'm going to talk about one of the most popular, most viral and most recently reformulated fragrance. It's none other than Empire Victor. So this is the outer packaging of the fragrance. It's all white and gold. So it has a sleeve like this, and when we remove the sleeve, the box opens up like this, and inside you can see the perfume bottle. So this is how the perfume bottle looks like. It's quite heavy, and I think it's made of glass. So the notes for this perfume are top notes of vanilla, caramel and lemon, middle notes of jasmine, vanilla blossom and cedar wood, base notes are vanilla bean, powdery musk and sandalwood. So let's see how it smells on me. I'm just going to spray it on my skin and see how it smells. Okay, actually initially I can smell the vanilla from the beginning itself, and also it starts off a bit citrusy. So I think it's due to the lemon present in it in the top note. It doesn't smell like a vanilla cupcake or a baked vanilla fragrance. It kind of smells like a syrupy vanilla, like the vanilla syrup we use for baking and cooking and stuff. It smells like that. So it starts off very fresh, lively with a bit of citrusy note, and then it moves into a mixture of floral and woody scents that give it some depth. The base notes are warm and endearing, featuring a blend of gourmand, musk and woody scents which provide a lasting and memorable finish to it. It's actually a well-balanced perfume that sticks around for a while, perfect for both special events and for daily use. It easily lasts for 8 hours on skin and even more on your clothes. This is a no-brainer for gourmand fragrance lovers like me, as it's simply a vanilla bomb, I would say. So KHADLAJ's Empire Victor reformulated version retains the charm of the original while enhancing its depth and sophistication. The packaging of the reformulated Empire Victor remains the same. The bottle is quite thick and heavy, exuding a sense of opulence with its gold detailing, and so it actually looks quite beautiful on any dress and is easy to handle with a solid and well-designed cap that adds to its overall premium feel. So I hope you liked today's video. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give it a like, comment and also share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, bye.